Hello everyone! Welcome back to another session here at QA Online Academy. I hope you've been practicing your SQL skills. Before we dive into today's topic, make sure you've thoroughly reviewed our previous lesson on the IN operator. It's essential for what's coming next. Today, we're expanding our toolkit with something very powerful for filtering data. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this lesson, we'll master the between operator, learn how it handles different data types like dates and strings, and see how to find values outside a specific range using not between. The SQL between operator is used in the where clause to select values within a specified range. One very important thing to remember is that this range is inclusive, meaning the beginning and end values are included in your results. For example, if we want to find all products with a price between $10 and $20, we write select asterisk from products where price between 10 and 20. This gives us everything in that exact range. And it's not just for numbers. You can use between with text values and even dates. This makes it incredibly versatile for all sorts of data validation and reporting tasks. When working with dates, ensure your format matches the database. To find all orders from July 1996, we use where order date between, followed by our start and end dates in single quotes. Now, what if we want the opposite? That's where not between comes in. It selects values that fall outside your specified range. It's the perfect logical inverse for your queries. The syntax is simple. Select asterisk from products where price not between 10 and 20. This excludes everything in that middle bracket and shows us the outliers. Time to put this into practice. I want you to open PyCharm on your computer right now. Write a query to find all products with a category ID between 1 and 3. I'll give you 10 seconds. How did you do? Here is the solution. Select asterisk from products where category ID between 1 and 3. Simple, clean, and effective. To recap, the SQL between operator is inclusive, works with numbers, text, and dates, and has a not between variant for finding outliers. That's it for the between operator. You're doing amazing. Don't forget to practice at home and review the previous chapters to keep your skills sharp. Next time, we'll explore SQL aliases, so don't miss it. Please subscribe to our YouTube and TikTok channels, visit our official website, and leave us your feedback. I love hearing from you. Happy coding, and I'll see you in the next chapter.